Welcome to the Amazon Influencer Tribe. My goal here is to answer all of the questions that you have absolutely free, both on YouTube and in our connected Facebook group. You might be asking yourself, what's the difference between being an Amazon influencer and as an Amazon associate? When will I get paid? What videos work best, vertical or horizontal? How many followers do I have to have? Which social media account works best for connecting the Amazon influencer program? Some of these have very simple answers, and some of them are not answerable because it just depends. And with the Amazon influencer program, a lot of answers come down to it depends. And so, what I would like to do, again, for absolutely free, is to give all that information out there. And this is nothing against all of the groups out there are charging. I just feel like that information can be shared to help other people make money for free. No disrespect. I think it's awesome. That's the hustle. That's what they're doing. It does take time to manage all of those people, but I want to do it in a place that's safe and free where we help people go from the very beginning to making money their first month or 60 days after their first month. So you may have a lot of questions, and the goal is to answer those questions to start from the very, very, very beginning on how to become an Amazon influencer, an Amazon associate, how you can get started making a little bit of money there to until your following gets big enough that you become an Amazon influencer, and all of the questions that are connected with that. Should you start an LLC? How do you handle your taxes? What do you do when people start offering you free products to review? What about the third-party programs that are out there that are paying people to review products for them, like WTI? Can you make money doing this? Is the simple answer. Absolutely yes. There are people making 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, and some of those larger groups, millions of dollars a month or a year doing the Amazon influencer program. Is that going to happen to you overnight? No, absolutely not. If you put in the work and put in the grind, absolutely. Is this a side hustle? Is it a passive income? That's a hard for me to decide for you on what passive looks like. For me, as a full-time, principal at a middle school, and then doing this on the side to earn extra income to pay for vacations and different things like that, it's super easy because my day job is pretty stressful. I deal with a lot of high impact decisions. So to come home and record videos and send emails, that's easy for me. I think everyone and how this works for you depends on your willingness to just put forth the effort and put time in every day. Is it rewarding? Yes. Do I get free products? Yes. Do I spend time reviewing products that I probably wouldn't buy? Sometimes, yes. There's a lot of different ways to manage this process, and that's really going to come down to you. So with this page, this YouTube page, and the connected Facebook group, I really want to build a community around helping each other be successful. You'll notice that when you join the Facebook group, there's a few questions, right? There's like, have you already been approved? Do you know what social media platform you're going to use to get approved? Have you ever been denied? Do you have the ability to build that audience on your other social media account to become an Amazon influencer? There's a lot of information that's out there. And there's a lot of information that kind of gets misused. Looking through the content creator guide, looking at the best practices, looking at what the government, the FTC says about what you have to actually say when you're posting videos. All of that information is out there. I really just want to gather it and put it all in one place for you to be successful. That's why I'm here. I would love to hear your questions. We are going to answer questions regularly. There are questions that I haven't even brought up that I don't want to confuse you about, but there are hundreds of questions that people have about the Amazon Influencer Program. And I want to break those down for you, both in a video format where I can show you what it looks like on my Amazon Influencer page or Amazon Associates account if you're at that level, maybe even doing some live video streams on Amazon, all the way down to the very, very basics. How do you get started? How do you apply? And we're going to do that video by video. And in the Facebook group, we'll do that message by message and chat by chat as we build that community. Again, I want to keep this free forever. There is no charge for you. The only benefit for me, obviously, is the ad revenue, which I'm not even monetized on YouTube yet, and to help you get to where you want to go, which in turn hopefully will bring value back to the community, back to the channel. And eventually, if you get to the point where you're successful, is that you can be a guest and talk about the process that you went through, because that's going to be different than me and the process that I went through. I just want to thank you for watching all the way till the end. I'd love for you to join our Facebook group. You can join it. It's the Amazon Influencer Tribe. Obviously, follow us here and then jump on over there, answer a few questions, and you're in. It's open to everyone.